In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a modified Schiff Pitchfork on Tradingview, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to place it on your chart, adjust it, customize it, and lock it in so it works smoothly with your analysis. First, make sure you're on your Tradingview chart with the market and time frame you want to analyze open. It can be any chart, the process is the same. Once your chart is up, move your eyes to the upper left side of the screen. That's where the main drawing toolbar is located. In that toolbar, look for the section that contains the different drawing tools. Find the icon for the trendline tools and click on it. This opens a list of related tools for drawing lines and channels. From that list, look for the option called Modified Schiff Pitchfork and click it. As soon as you select it, your cursor will change and you're ready to start placing points on the chart. Now, you'll create your 3 anchor points. Start by clicking on the chart to place your first point. This is usually at a significant swing high or swing low, depending on your strategy. Then move to the next important swing and click again to set your second point. Finally, move to the third reference point and click once more to set your last point. After the third click, the Modified Schiff Pitchfork will automatically draw itself, projecting an extended line structure across your chart. This extended line helps you visualize potential paths of price, acting as dynamic support and resistance. You can use it to frame trends, identify possible reaction areas, and see how price behaves within those boundaries. If you're not happy with where it sits, you can click and drag the entire tool anywhere on your chart. You can also drag the individual anchor points to fine-tune the placement to better match the price swings you're analyzing. Once it looks good, you can customize it. Click on the pitchfork to bring up its quick options. From here, you can open templates to save or apply your favorite style presets, adjust the color so it stands out against your background, and change the line tool width to make it thinner or thicker depending on your preference. If you need more detailed control, click on Settings to open the full configuration window. When you're satisfied, you can add a lock so you don't accidentally move or distort the tool while working on other parts of your chart. And if you ever decide you don't need it anymore, simply click on Remove to delete it from your chart. Finally, remember that the Modified Schiff Pitchfork is a refined version of a standard pitchfork and ray-style lines on Tradingview. These tools project levels into the future, helping you anticipate where price might react instead of only looking at what has already happened. Use it as a guide, not a guarantee, and integrate it into your broader trading plan.